So peace, and one perfect love, family. Grand Rising here in Cape Coast, Ghana. All right, going to meet up with a brethren and a sister actually today. We're going to be shipping off some things for you all today. Okay, so I just thought I'd share a piece of my day with you all. You know what I mean? You see the cars passing by, everything. So right now, today is Monday. So a lot of the youths, all of them going back to school today. It's school day today. Businesses are open today as well. Usually Saturday, Sunday, businesses kind of slow down, but Monday through Friday is on. All right. So just walking through, I was actually going to get some oranges because, oh my goodness, man, the oranges is fire down here. So I'm actually saving the seeds as well so we can plant the trees, okay? All right, fam, so at the post office right now, it got a Western Union right next to it as well. So this is the post office. This is the main Cape Coast post office. There is also another post office that is near this one. It's in Elmina, and Elmina and Cape Coast castles are both the castles where a lot of Africans were shipped into the Western world, you know? So this is actually the post office right here. You can ship to America, you can ship all over the world right here, okay? Look at that, they got the G9 on the seats, everything. So the main way of sending things, you can either do a DHL or you can do an EMS, okay? So EMS is the way we're going to use today. You see another one right there, EMS services available, and I will continue to keep you all updated as to how we ship from Africa to America. And honestly, family, this is needed. If you're really talking about living overseas, if you're really talking about relocating to the continent, to the Caribbean, you know, just anywhere outside of your home country where you was born, where you entered the earth, okay? It is great to get the products from that particular place that you moved to and ship it to your home country. Okay, ship it to your home country because it's almost looked at as exotic. You know, the items are exotic. All right, so this is very good, and I'll walk you all through this process. So they have arrived, actually shipping this to America right now. All the hats and everything, brother Quasi. You know what I'm saying, my brother?
Hey, Grand Rising.
Blessed. Yeah, so now gonna go ahead and ship this off. Everybody here. All right, so right now he's weighing it, you know, of course with weight, and then the distance is how they'll calculate how much it's gonna actually cost to do this thing. So let's see what we come up with, what the grand total will be, you know what I mean, and I'll keep you updated. So yes, family, so we got the first one, go ahead and weigh. So we actually got 13 kilos, all right, so that translates into roughly about 28 pounds, all right? So they're saying actually for 28 pounds, 13 kilos, somewhere around there, it's actually about 987, 1,023 city, okay, to send. So that converts roughly into about 170 US dollars, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and take these, and this is actually what we're shipping to you all. This is handmade in Ghana, you know, handmade in West Africa, okay? So these are actually gonna be the new lock crowns that we're gonna have on www.mynaturalroots.org, okay? So y'all can see the whole process. I'm gonna go ahead and load this up. We can weigh it, give them the address, and we can ship it on out. So now, right now, just sealing it up, getting it real nice. You know what I'm saying? The brother said it even arrived within 2 weeks. No more than 2 weeks. So that's actually a lot faster than I thought. And the packages is coming to America. So outside of the post office, this is how the community looks. You know, people going about their day. Usually about noon, that's when it's a lot of people on the street, and then in the evening as well, about 5, 6. You know, it's kind of quiet right now. But yeah, this is Cape Coast. Can see the hills up there, everything. So just showing you more of Ghana. you know, and the ocean is not far. So all right, family, so got the first one taken care of, man. Tidying up the second one, getting that nice, you know what I mean? So we give thanks, So it's coming up to actually 17 kilograms. So 17, 13. At the post office right now, you know what I mean? I just met my brother, Atur Benor. Wow, soldiers of Yah, you know what I'm saying? Hebrew Israelite vibes.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
Kananya.
We got my brother here, Kananya, blessed.
From the Jerusalem brotherhood.
Okay, you know what I mean?
Israel.
So Hebrew Israelites in the house, man. You already know, man. You gotta embrace your culture. You know, we in the continent, we in West Africa right now. What drove you to come here?
Well, we are both a part of the African Hebrew Israelites of Jerusalem out of Dimona. And I've been a part of the nation since 2000. And ever since I was part of the nation, what attracted me more to our community was to talk about our connection back to these Edenic lands. We call Mother Africa the Edenic lands in terms of biblical terminology, Eden.
Yes.
So we were always being taught about the fact that we have to come back here to help restore and redeem our Edenic family.
Yes.
And so that's why I was inspired in 2009 and blessed with the opportunity to come here and work at our health resort establishment, Asasipa here in Cape Coast.
Oh, okay. Asasipa. Okay.
So,
very nice, you know, very nice.
So I came in 2009, 2018.
Oh, okay, 2018. Okay, wow. Yo, we definitely give thanks and praise, man. We in the continent right now. The diaspora is coming back home and building up Mama Africa, the Edenic land. So, my brother, I appreciate you, you know. I appreciate you. You know, I'm sure y'all know Brother David. Y'all know Brother David.
Brother David, that's
right?
Yeah,
you know. Yeah. Powerful brother,
got
you
the
know.
organic farm out there in Ankapo.
So, you know, it's a small world, you know what I mean? We out here, though. We out here. So just showing you all, man, the diaspora is here on the continent, man. Come home, all right?
Absolutely, one love.
All right, family. So got everything shipped off, everything good, everything paid for. It's coming to America. Should be there in no more than 2 weeks. Okay? So this is the process. Just wanted to walk y'all through it real quick, man. Really appreciate you all for tuning in today, man. Give this video a like, man. Give this video a like, comment, subscribe. Let's reason, okay? And I really appreciate y'all for tuning in today, man. Gotta get this wisdom, gotta get this knowledge, gotta get this divine understanding, man. Wherever you are on this beautiful planet, send enough peace, love, positive energy, everything good, everything righteous, everything truthful. We in Cape Coast, Ghana, West Africa, you know what I mean? Get you some. Come to the continent. Peace.